George Clooney and his beautiful date, Stacy Keibler. Joe, I think she looks absolutely gorgeous tonight.
Oh yeah? Like it's not a thing or something? You can just stand up now? What you getting? Oh, phone? Who are you gonna call? Your friends? Benny? Your boyfriend?
The color of the dress, perfect and very fitting for the Oscars this evening.
I agree. Listen, I called Old Hollywood Glamour before the night started.
You said it.
And I think we're
You want the phone? You can't reach without falling. Uh-oh.
And let's take a look at her past dresses. We have her at the Golden Globes wearing red. We talked a lot about that. There she is there in Valentino.
Beautiful, elegant, chic.
She's very tall and statuesque. So she pulls
Oh my gosh, Lily.
She can totally work.
Lily?
Listen, I saw her at the Marquesa show in New York. We sat near each other. She definitely commands a lot of presence, and you notice her for sure.
Speaking of Marquesa, she wore a Marquesa dress to the SAG Awards. So let's take a look at that. A beautiful black dress. I really like the detail on
Sweet
the top,
pea?
the lace.
Amazing. And she
What
has
you
a
doing?
stellar body, so she didn't really pull anything off. As you can tell tonight.
She looks. What do you think about George and his outfit? Do you approve?
I approve of anything George is wearing. I don't think George ever gets it wrong. Listen, he is really Rat Pack come to life today.
Uh-oh. Now you gotta go down. How do you get down from standing? She just throws herself down.
I think so too. I think it'll be a tough race and a close race. It'll be interesting to see who comes on.
Lily! Liliana! Liliana!
There are few people with as much at stake tonight as Jessica Chastain. Jessica, listen, how are you? Who are you with?
What you doing? Come see mommy. Liliana, come.
You know, I've got to think, you have so much at stake tonight. I'm not
No, you wanna stay?
also have to get my fellow castmate, your entire film is recognized, and Trina White was recognized. You must be a bundle of nerves and energy right now.
Bugaboo, come here. Say. Uh-oh, Baba.